On today's video, we are going to be discussing all about the care visa. What are the requirements about the care visa? What agencies are currently recruiting for carers? How to get the care visa job in the UK? Hi, my name is Okpeyemi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time or if you haven't subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so as not to miss on my next post. Let's get started. Firstly, the care visa was launched 15th February 2022 and is becoming popular because of the ability to get indefinite leave to remain in the UK after staying for 5 years. That's a really hot cake. So the care visa can be up to 5 years. It can be 1 year, it can be 2 years, it can be 3 years, depending on the contract of the job. So if you actually stayed in the UK for 5 years, you have the opportunity to apply for the indefinite leave to remain in the UK. Now, let's talk about the requirements of the care visa. For you to get a job in the UK as a caregiver or as a carer, you need your driver's license, your international driver's license, not just the Nigerian driver's license or your country's driver's license. You need the international driver's license. The reason is most companies or most agencies require you to go to their client's home and take care of them, and they require you to know how to drive. There's been a situation whereby most people, they will lie that they have driver's license, and when they get to the UK, and at the end of the day, it's going to be bad for them because it's going to show that they don't know how to drive. So there are some jobs out there that they request that, okay, you must have a driver's license in order for you to get the visa. You must also have the IELTS for UK, which is the IELTS UK VI, and it costs about 80,000 naira. You also need to have your international passport. And to get international passport, you must know someone who knows someone in Nigeria. That's Nigeria for you. And budget minimum or maximum of 150,000 naira. It just depends on who you want to do it, how soon you want to get it in this country. So if it's that you want to get it quick, just budget 150,000 naira. But if it's that you want to get it in 6 months, you can just budget 70,000 naira. But just budget 150,000 naira. Just have that budget in your mind. Then you must have your WAEC result in which you have passed your English and mathematics exam. You must also have work experience. Like I said, any job you want to apply to, you must also have work experience. The reason why they are requesting that you have a work experience in this care visa is because of your reference letter, because you need someone to give you a reference that, okay, oh, this person volunteered here for purpose of 3 months, this person worked with me for purpose of 2 months. There are lots of hospitals that you can just go out there and volunteer, get the required experience in order for you to get this visa. As part of the requirement, it is advisable to have done a care certification, and the care certification that you must have done must consist of the 15 standards of care. Okay, so, and there are 3 places that you can do this course, and there are paid places that you can do this course. But if you want to get it on time, it's better for you to go for the paid one, and you can find them on read.co.uk. You can find the paid one on caredemi.co.uk, and they will give you free certification of each standards that you've done on their website. Now, let's talk about the agencies that they are currently recruiting for this care visa job. There are some agencies that they are not approved by the Home Office. They can only recruit within the UK. But there are some that can make international recruitment. They can get people from outside UK to come and work as a caregiver or under the care visa in the UK. So I've made a list here and I'll be reading them to you. I'll also leave them in my description box below. We have carechoices.co.uk. We have abehealthcare.org.uk. We have carehome.co.uk. We have abesidecaregroup.co.uk. We have Avanta Care. We have Concept Care Solution. We have Interact Medical Limited. We have Pier Meadows Recruitment. We have Sky Recruitment Specialist. We have Your World Recruitment Limited. We have Bridge Staffing Service. We have Chase Madison Limited or something. We have Daytime Healthcare Recruitment Limited. We have MMA Healthcare Recruitment. I will actually make a video concerning where you can find all these companies that are recruiting. I'll make a video, but not today. Now that we've spoken about the agencies that are currently recruiting for care visa, let's talk about how you can get the care visa from Nigeria. How can you get it? First thing, you must have received a job offer from your employer, from your approved employer. Then you must have your certificate of sponsorship. Then you must have a minimum salary of 20,800. You get ready, all those requirements I've said above, which are your international driver's license, your passport, your IELTS, everything, you just pack them like that. Then you do tuberculosis test. I don't know how much that it costs, maybe 70,000 or 50 or 40. I am not sure about the price, so do your research on the price of the tuberculosis test. Then you pay the visa fee and you must have proof of funds of £1,500 in your account. The equivalent should be in your account, in your Naira account. So you gather all those ones and apply within 3 months of your start date or due date in UK. Once you just have all those ones, as long as you are not lying, you will get your visa. If your document is not complete, the UK Immigration Office, they will get back to you stating that they need additional requirements to get your visa approved. But if you have all those, I'm sure that there's nothing is stopping you in getting your visa. The next thing is buy all those your food stuff that you should take to UK and book your flight ticket. Welcome to UK. In my own opinion, what people don't tell you about this healthcare is that if you don't have work experience, if you don't volunteer, if you don't do certifications, or you should have their qualification, it's kind of difficult for people coming from Nigeria, coming from Africa to get this healthcare certification. So if you are interested in this care visa, it's better that you should get the necessary qualification, necessary documents. Because I've heard stories that people, they were lying that they know how to drive. They asked them, do you know how to drive? They said yes. Do you have international passport? They said yes. When they got to UK, it turns out that they didn't even know how to drive, and they went to forge international driver's license. So my advice, have those necessary documents. There's no need to lie about this thing. Have those necessary documents. Once you have them and you keep on applying to jobs all over, it's not easy getting job, but if you put in the effort, you will get the result. So if you are applying for all those jobs and you are getting unfortunately we can't do this, unfortunately we can't do that, unfortunately we can't do that, my sister, my brother, check your resume. And there are important things that should be in your resume. The six C's, which is care, companion, and so on, they should be in your CV. Your profile summary should be there. Your contact details should be on the top list of your CV. Then your work experience. Then your education and certification. Put all those certificates that you've done there, both the paid one and the free one. Put them there as long as they are CPD accredited. Put them there. But if it's that you just went to go and do anyhow CV, you won't get the job. You keep on getting, unfortunately. But as long as your CV is at least a page long, it's even advisable that it should even be a page long, not even 2 pages. Do it a page long. Put the important bullets, important points, so that it will pass the ATS system. Put it there. If you put it there, you will get it. You will definitely get an interview with someone. If you pass that interview, you will get the job. So, we've come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so as not to miss on my next post.